Today we are continuing with Regina Pashi online teaching on mathematics. And our topic today, my name is still remain Okafor Patrick. And our topic today is application of sine and cosine rules to bearing. And based on the introduction, we say in this case, the diagrams we are going to obtain when solving problems of bearing give rise to triangle. And when such triangle is not a right angle triangle, what do? We now sine or cosine will be used. But in a situation where it is a right angle triangle, what are we going to do? So this problem will now give us an idea when we have a right angle triangle. So we start. So based on the question, we said Q is 32 kilometers away from P on a bearing of 0.42 degree, and R is 25 kilometers from P on a bearing of 132 degree. We are asked to calculate the bearing of R from Q. So first of all, how do we solve this problem? We now go with the cardinal points, which is the north, the south, east, and west. And it says, the question says the bearing of from P on a bearing of 0.4, and that from P is the starting point. That is the starting point. Here becomes our P, and that is 0.42 degree. So we now estimate that, not by using compass, and that is 42 degree. Then at the end, we say Q is that from P. So here this is somewhere Q, and that is 32 kilometers. This is 32 kilometers. Then at the end of Q, what are we going to do? It says Q is that 132 degree. So we now draw another 4 cardinal points. Here is the north. We can remove this Q and write it here. And it says 132 degree. We now estimate that 132. Sorry, 132 degrees is from where? R is this from P on bearing of, which is the same P. So we go back instead of locating at Q. So we go back to P and estimate 132. So from here to here is 90. So if you subtract 90 from 42, that will give you 48. And what remains here? 90 plus 42. So here remains 42. So here, and mind you, 25 should be smaller. The line of 25 should be smaller than that of 32. So you must be very careful on it. So here is, let's take it as somewhere here, 25 kilometers. And the question says, calculate the bearing of R, and here is R, that R we are talking about. Bearing of R from Q. So you go, the word from means the starting point, from Q. So we go back to Q. And mind you, in bearing we say we move in a clockwise direction from Q. So we start from this north, and move in a clockwise direction and estimate this is where what we are looking for, and we have to join this point to that. Can you see what I've done? So what are we looking for? From here to here. So the line joining Q and R, that is what we need to find. We are asked to find. So what do? If we look at this triangle, we find that by the time we add this, it will give you 90, which is a right angle triangle. So in such a right angle triangle, and we are asked to find the bearing. So what do? And that bearing, what we needed is to find this, because since we know we are asked to find this, so what will help us is to find this, which we call that theta. That is what we are looking for. When we get that, from here we can now get the remaining part of this. So what do? Since it's a right angle triangle, if you recall, your SOHCAHTOA. And here being a right angle triangle, so this side is opposite, and this is adjacent, while this side that is facing angle 90 is hypotenuse. So in that case, we said opposite over adjacent is tan. So in that case, it's tan theta is now 20 opposite 25 over 32. So what is the angle? We now say the theta is now tan inverse of 25 over 32. So when you now divide and go to tangent of angles, you will find that, and that will give you 38 degrees. Check very well, to give you 38 degrees. So our theta is 38 degrees. And mind you, since here is 48, here will be 48. Why? Why is this side 48? This is alternate to that. So, and since here is 48 and here is 38, what is the remaining part of this? That is 48 plus our 38 plus this part, which we don't know. Let's call it half. Plus that half, I will make up 90 degrees. That is a right angle triangle. The right angle here, a right angle, which is 90. And therefore, our alpha will now be 90 minus sum of 38 plus 48. And that will give you 4 degrees. So what is your answer now? The bearing, therefore, bearing of R from Q is now, if you look at here, from here to here is 180 plus that part of this, which is 180 plus the what we have calculated as 4 degrees, and the whole will give you 184 degrees. So please, you see a situation when we have a right angle triangle. So you now use this concept. If you are asked to find this pure R, what do? You use your Pythagoras theorem, which says the square of this plus the square of this, and you now look for the square root and get your pure R. But if it is not a right angle triangle, that is where the sine and cosine rules comes into play. And that is what we are going to see in next discussion. Please go through the lesson note I have given you, and therefore you now solve as many as possible, so that by the time we go into this main application, because these are the things you expect in a WAEC, and one of the questions that normally comes in WAEC. Thank you very much for listening.